Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by enabling the recorder and choosing the capture source, system audio, microphone, or both. Tap the screen record control. If needed, long press to adjust audio and video options. Once done, count down mentally and position important UI elements where they are visible. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on so alerts won't appear. You're starting now. Press record and perform the action you want to capture deliberately and at natural speed so playback is clear. You'll balance quality and file size by picking resolution and frame rate. Use 30 FPS for small files, 60 FPS for smooth motion. If you need voiceover, enable microphone, otherwise record system audio alone for app sounds. Once recording, move deliberately, steady taps and slow scrolls make edits easier. Make sure orientation matches your target platform. Landscape for 16:9 videos, portrait for vertical content. When demonstrating menus, pause briefly so viewers can read each option. You'll finish by tapping the stop control. Your device saves the file automatically to photos or files. Once saved, open the editor to trim start and end, fix loudness, and add captions or a voiceover so instructions are clear. If the video lacks audio, double-check microphone permissions and the recorder's audio toggle. Retry a short test clip. If the file is too large, export at lower resolution or compress. Finally, preview the full clip to confirm everything recorded as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.